Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by diagnosing both problems together. Inspect the crane's electrical panel and hydraulic reservoirs while maintaining a calm approach to the cat. You visually confirm power feeds, fluid levels, and any alarm lights, then isolate power and set mechanical blocks. Once done, ensure the crane is immobilized and the cat's location is safe for approach. You should call the cat softly, open a clear path, and prepare a carrier. Make sure to log initial findings and take photos before deeper disassembly. You now perform targeted troubleshooting. Use a pressure gauge on the main boom circuit and watch valve behavior while a colleague slowly cycles controls. Disconnect suspect solenoids one at a time and substitute known good components to isolate faults. Make sure to relieve pressure before opening lines. Meanwhile, once the crane is stable, approach the cat by lowering a stable platform or using a soft blanket. Avoid sudden movements. You should communicate with your assistant constantly and keep tools organized so reassembly is straightforward. You complete the job by installing replacement parts, tightening to manufacturer torque settings, and bleeding trapped air from the hydraulic lines, then perform staged functional tests from ground controls and cab. Once the crane behaves correctly, perform a full load test and inspect for leaks and heat buildup. For the cat, gently coax it into a carrier or, if necessary, set a humane trap and contact animal control. If things go wrong, stop, isolate power, and reevaluate. Safety for people and the cat always comes first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.